What's up, guys, and welcome to 1000X Crypto, where we are constantly looking for that next breakout project. In this review, we're going over DeltaChain. They're a new blockchain with a brand new ecosystem saying that they have the ability to scale to the masses. They've been working on this project for 3 years by over 160 developers. So without further ado, let's jump into this review. Okay, guys, we're on the pink sale. You can see DeltaChain's pre-sale is coming up. It starts in 4 hours and 5 minutes. They're going to count down to the public just 3 minutes, 3 or 4 minutes after they start their pre-sale. They're going live and opening it up to a public. This is a whitelisted project, but don't worry, wait a few minutes, you can get in. They have a minimum buy of 0.1 BNB, a maximum buy of 1 BNB on their website shows a different total supply. I think somebody made a typo, but here they're showing 1 billion total supply. They're bringing 200 million tokens for pre-sale. 1 BNB will get you 1 million Delta tokens. They do have an audit by CoinSalt up above, and they are being tracked and covered by other large influencers. Shout out to Crypto Dex. He's covering this, so if you know he's doing it, this must be a good project. Let's take a look at analytics audit. They do have a quick audit down below. Do not see any negative red X's or anything. They usually highlight if they find anything wrong with the project. Looks like a green light for the contract. They have a CMC CG fast track, huge marketing plans, and all the tokens are locked. Okay, they have a DeltaSwap, a DeltaExplorer, a DeltaBridge. They have a full ecosystem already planned out. Let's jump on over to their website and check it out. Okay, we're on the DeltaChain website. You can see that their goal is to break through the limits, challenge the trilemma, and create a decentralized blockchain with high security and efficiency. Here is the outline of their ecosystem here. You can see it all centers around the Delta token. I said there was a different number on their website. On a peak sale, somebody made a typo. It says here Delta has a total supply of 100 million, and on the pink sale it says 1 billion. So that would be a question I would go into the AMA and ask a question before you invest in this project, and talk to the team, get in their Telegram, and ask some questions about those numbers. You can see that they cannot increase the supply, whichever number is right. It's fixed in their blockchain. They have a DeltaSwap, which is released now. You can connect your wallet and add liquidity on the Delta chain using the DeltaSwap. They also have a Delta Block Explorer that can show transactions of Delta chain. It can handle up to 16,000 TPS, and we have optimized the core logic of operating. They have a DeltaBridge, which is a bridge virtual machine which can support 30 plus blockchain main tokens. So they'll be able to develop pretty vastly on this blockchain. More projects means more utilization of that token, and which will bring that supply down. They have a Delta wallet, which is exclusive wallet for the Delta chain holders. You can use this app for free gas, token rewards, and more. And they have a strong community and an exclusive developer community to discuss iteration and the core code. Let's take a look at their DeltaExplorer. You can see that they've already done 49 transactions with the average block time of 60 seconds. They've sent that out to 18 wallets, and they've done a total of 397,599 blocks. And you can see all in their token transfers have been a success. Here is their DeltaSwap. You're going to be able to connect your wallet and instantly add liquidity and be able to swap. This is supposed to be a multi-chain token and a cross-chain. So you're going to be able to swap from different platforms like Binance and DeltaChain. So you're going to be able to swap in between chains. If you're really truly serious about investing in this project, you need to read their white paper. Their white paper encompasses everything and shows so much more about this project, gives you all the information you need. that is not on their website. Yeah, the website is just broad brush strokes. So make sure you go to their white paper if you really are serious about this project. Like I said in the intro, they have been developing this project for over 3 years by 160 developers across the globe. It offers novel innovations and consistent with smart contract design, system security, performance, and decentralization. The combination of these technologies, they're aiming to build fundamental building blocks to bring Web3 to the masses, and they show how to do this down here. I'm not going to read through this, but I'm just going to go through their white paper really quick. Preparing your environment talks about use supporting operation systems and what kind of systems they're going to be using in their blockchain, and the hardware requirements. Talks about full nodes and validators, their workflows, source code, everything you want to find out, like I said, about this project is really detailed, and this is one of the most detailed white papers I've seen in quite a while. Here it shows, this tells you basically how to install the wallet, install the Delta, integrate with the Delta and the blockchain, and gives you an overview how to do that, and how and just, you know, they really do a nice job of breaking it down and explaining it to you for those who are not, you know, that knowledgeable about coding and you know, what it takes to be a validator or nodes or anything like that. This really does a really good job of breaking that down so you can understand it. Okay, so if you're interested in running nodes, the Delta network is comprised of nodes of 3 types. You can be a validator full node, and public full node. And they're saying to participate in the consensus, you are required to run both a validator node and a validator full node and stake at the same time. So this section describes everything you need to stake and participate in the consensus and governance. And they have a very thorough breakdown of that right here, you can see. Also, they do have and will be able to mint NFTs with the Delta and mint fungible tokens with on-chain data. The big thing that rung out to me in this project is the scalability to the masses. When you start you know, talking about going way beyond just, you know, what's in crypto right now, but reaching the masses and getting mass adopted and making crypto easier and bringing more people in, because you have the ability to scale as a project, then to me that hits all the bells for things I look for in projects to invest in. And at the bottom of their white paper, the team does dox themselves. They, you know, they put their names out there, the founder and marketer and the developer, and you can see that they did do their they did do a light doxing of themselves. Here are some of their partners they have aligned themselves with: CoinMarketCap, Binance Smart Chain, CoinGecko, Pinksale, Dex, and DexView. Socials, this project, they have 1,970 followers on Twitter, and on their Telegram, you are looking at 4,000 members on their Telegram. So they have a decent amount of people on their socials. Okay, guys, that does it for DeltaChain. They're coming up really quick on Pinksale. So if you're interested in this project, get on their socials, check out their white paper, and go and look at their website. I hope you enjoyed this review. If you did, do me a favor, like, subscribe, share, come on board our family. We are growing every single day. I appreciate you guys, and I will catch you in the next review.